This tutorial will introduce you to how to use Twitter for our North American Borderlands class this summer. As you notice, I am here at twitter.com. I'm currently logged out of my account. In order to create an account, you go here to the sign up button and you click there, and then you just follow all of the steps. So you put in your name, your email address, the password that you would like, and so on. You click sign up. I won't do that because I'm already signed up. But that's how you get started. Then you go through all the various steps. Twitter does try to get you to like a bunch of stuff, or I should say follow a bunch of people and businesses and things. You don't have to do that for the purposes of our class. You just have to get on there and search for our course hashtag, and also it is helpful to find me on there as well at CNM Brandon. Once you do that, then I can make sure to add you to the list that I have for our class so that I can make sure to always find your work there. I'm going to go ahead and log in to my account so that I can show you what it looks like once you get inside. So what you see here in the middle, these are the tweets of people or institutions, businesses, whatever that you follow. Here is where you have some of your profile information. You can click on that, change it. You can add your own unique background. For some reason mine isn't loaded yet, but you can do that, add pictures, however much you want to do for the class. To see what people are saying in our class, you type the # and HIST 480, and then search. So you just click enter or click the search icon. If you're doing this on a mobile device, the similar features will be there so that you can do the same things that I'm showing you here in my internet browser. Once you do this search, it gives you the top tweets, and I've never been able to figure out what makes something a top tweet. So if you just want to see all of the tweets that people have been adding for the class in the order that they've posted them, click live. We don't really have anything unique or new on there yet. You can see a bunch of stuff that I've been sharing, just trying to get the word out about our class for this summer. So you can scroll down and see what people have been posting. You'll notice that as long as you type this #Hist 480 in your tweet, it will appear in this search. If you've just created a Twitter account, but and you use the hashtag correctly, but your tweets are not yet appearing in the search, don't worry about that. Because of the way that Twitter tries to weed out spam accounts, sometimes that happens. So with new accounts, sometimes their tweets, their posts don't immediately appear in these searches. Again, don't worry about that. Just send me a tweet at CNM Brandon. You don't have to follow me unless you want to. But as long as you send me a tweet, and all you have to do is click the tweet box, type the @ and CNM Brandon, you can see that that appeared in blue. And then just say, hi, I'm here, or something like that, and then click tweet. I said I'm not going to do it, but I just did it anyway. Then that will go to me. I'll get that and I'll see it, and I will be able to add you to the list that I was talking about. So I've showed you how to post a tweet, how to find what we're doing for class. I'm going to hurry and go over here to the class blog that I've set up. So this is the one that I will be posting things to. I'll post all of your blog addresses here as well. For the first module, you will need to share your blog via Twitter. So once you've created your blog, like I have here, and made a post, your post on how you define Borderlands, you'll just grab the URL, so copy and paste the address for that, come back over to Twitter, click the tweet button to compose it, and you will say, here is my blog post for Hist 480, and then you paste the URL in there, and that's enough. I mean, you can say more about it if you'd like, but that's all you need to do, and I'll go ahead and tweet that. And then it'll take it a minute because this one doesn't update in real time, but eventually it will appear here. Also, the only other thing that you'll need to do for our class on Twitter is reply to people. So you'll just use this arrow button that I'm highlighting here. You click that, it pops up a box. It'll put the Twitter handle of people who have either written or been mentioned in the tweet that you're responding to. Please leave that there because that's how they will know that you've replied to them. And then you just type or reply. And I won't tweet that one. You type your reply and then you click the tweet button. You should also type the Hist480 hashtag there. With the replies, it's not quite as important because if you see the first one, I'll be able to get at the replies as well. You'll notice here's the new results. There's that blog post that I had just tweeted. So for the first module, all you'll do is post the one tweet to your blog post. Starting with the second module, though, your reading tweets, you'll need to post at least 15 tweets. 10 of those should be direct responses, thoughts, comments, questions about the reading that we're doing. And so we'll be reading a book for each module. You'll post your initial comments here, and then 5 of those 15 need to be replies to others in the class. So that's why you'll pull up the Hist480 hashtag, and then you can see what other people have written, and you can respond to them appropriately. So I think that covers all the bases for everything that we'll be doing with Twitter in this class. Please let me know if you have any questions as you get started. I'm more than happy to help out, and I hope that you enjoy using Twitter for our class.